Welcome everybody to Minecraft 101 with your host Miguel 101 and an audience that's really yeah. I think you must have heard that. Help me! Let's see. It's a fireworks show, everybody. I made a lot of fireworks. You can join your fireworks stars, gunpowder paper, and you can make fireworks. 4th of July. Who the heck cares, dude? I'm making a fireworks show here. Audience. Man, audience doesn't really care about anything these days.
Nope.
Shut up.
Not supposed to about that.
You know, the audience is stupid because they think Minecraft is stupid. Ow! I'd rather have a lion as an audience than this kind of audience. Yeah. Don't cuss.
My bad.
Yeah. And that is my cool creeper king. You can really do it. It's really easy. I just took off my arrow. I just blew it up. Yeah, you can see right there. Oh, and before I log off, I just have to say that Vincent, I do have a Facebook account. You are hearing this? Yes. Everybody, you should believe me more, even though I only have one subscriber, which is Vincent. Well, thank you for joining me on the video of Minecraft 101, and this is Miguel 101 for Minecraft 101 with an audience saying peace.